So, yun, nakakalungkot, di ba, na yung mga ice dito sa Antarctica, dahan-dahan nang natutunaw, nalulusaw. Lalo ko na, kasi yung ina-expect namin na makita yung iceberg A23A, yung napakalawak na iceberg na yun, mas malaki pa sa London, UK, yung size niya. Nagkawatak-watak na rin, anod na, hindi na sa ganun ka-impressive tingnan. Kung i-google niyo yan, iceberg A23A, makikita nyo kung ano yung itsura niya dati. So, yeah, balik na naman tayo dito. Busy masyado ng mga nakaraang mga linggo, kaya now lang ulit. So dito kasi kami nagmi-meeting sa umaga. So katatapos lang ng meeting. Tingnan natin yung area sa labas. Oh, nakalak. Alright. Why you locked it, Annie? My goodness. Look at the view here.
I don't want you to catch a cold.
Look at the view here. It looks like, it reminds me of home.
It's not locked.
It's not? Well, I was there. I tried to open it.
I know you don't get out of deck 3 often, but
This is the best bar manager on board. And the only bar manager on board. Oh my goodness. Oh. Somebody attempted to use the whirlpool, huh?
not yet.
Is this bar here never opened?
Not in winter, not now.
Look at the iceberg. Icebergs with S. Look at the view there. Look at the view. See? So, wow. Sarap tumira dito, no? Ano kailangan ng aircon? Diba? Heater ang kailangan. Sikat yung araw pero ay mas no. Hangin. Sa tingin mo ba anong pinakamalamig na lugar sa buong mundo?
Antarctica!
Antarctica. Kasi nandito tayo ngayon.
Oo.
Pero hindi mo ba alam na ang pinakamalamig na lugar sa buong mundo ay Bohol? Bohol!
Bakit?
Kasi kung mainit sa Bohol, matagal na tunaw yung chocolate hills, di ba?
Ayos ka talaga mo!
Sabi ko sa iyo, Bohol wala itong Antarctica na to. Wala yan. Bohol ang pinakamalamig.
Ayos ka talaga!
Ay, joke yun.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains and lashes.
One of the pilots of submarine. Never been in submarine, huh? Never tried it. When is the next one? So So where you normally sit there?
So I sit in the middle, don't touch it, don't.
Oh, sorry.
So I sit in where that foreign cruises, that's where we sit, the pilot.
Yeah.
Guests sit, 2 domes, one here, one on the other side.
How many team members?
Six guests, 1 pilot.
Nice.
$5 million.
This one, $5 million? My goodness. Wow. Where's the side mirrors?
Go ahead.
No side mirrors? No headlights?
Where's the lights? Lights
Yeah.
at the bottom.
That's our pilot. Alright, thank you, sir.
You're welcome, sir.
Wow.
We'll get you down.
So we have 2, right? Both sides. Alright.
Chasing a dream that I've had for several ages of vacant modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.
So, dito na tayo sa
Do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
tingnan nyo doon talagang ano,
No, I don't take shit. I got no
nalaglag na lang yun.
this. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this,
Tapos yung isa naming barko, yung Seabourn Pursuit, nandun sa likod natin. Pareho lang ng design nito. Itong Seabourn Venture saka Seabourn Pursuit. Ang nice. Ito, nice na. Ayan, yan yung Seabourn Pursuit. Yung pinakabago naming barko. Grabe, kapal ang mga balat. Oh, nililigo pa. Ay. So, ayan yung Seabourn Pursuit. Yan. Ito yung mga nasa paligid natin dito. Nasa Antarctica na tayo, ha? Alright. Kaya tawag nilang White Continent. Kinuki. Yan. Seabourn Pursuit na yan. 6 months ako sa Genoa sa Italy nung inopen ko yung barko na yan. Lamig. Grabe oh, lamig oh. Pero naka-coverall lang tayo. Yan yung Seabourn Pursuit sa likod natin. Ayan oh. Right? Kita nyo yung kapal ng ice talaga sa yung bundok ng ice na yan. Bundok yan, tapos nag-build up na yung mga ice talaga mismo. May kikita nyo, yan oh. Tapos biglang bumagsak. Di ba? So wala kang makikitang, sa baba lang yung ano, yung bato, yung bundok. Pero sa taas, puro ice yan. Di ba? Oh. Welcome to Antarctica. Tingnan nyo yung itsura nung Antarctica, ha? Alas 8 ng gabi dito. Oh, lumapit na tayo mismo sa mga bundok ng yelo, guys. Ayan na. Ayan. Tama na namin. Diba? So, talagang may sikat pa rin yung araw. Alas 8 ng gabi. Ganito ang itsura. Ganda ng landscape, no? Landscape pa tawag dyan. Ice cape. Alright. Lalaki ng mga ice doon. Lamig. Yes. Nice. Very nice. Once in a lifetime experience ito, guys. Pero pabalik-balik na ako dito. Siguro 15 years ago. 15. Tapos kabila. Ayan na. Okay. Big. Ay, ay, ay. So So tatakbo tayo. Maraming nanonood ng ano. Mga guest dun sa harap. May mga whales kasi na naglalabasan. Makikita din natin dito eh. Kung meron dito sa side na to. Sa kabila kasi sa port side sila, starboard side sila. Ibig sabihin starboard side sa kanan ng barko. So andun yung seaborne pursuit, andun din, malayo. So ito yung view natin dito habang treadmill, di ba? Treadmill lang muna tayo. Laki ng ice guys, oh. Iceberg. Yan yung Zodiac namin. Yan. Namin nagkalat ng mga ice. Natamad akong makyat na sa taas kasi nga lamig. Yan, dandahan lang kami dito. Andun yung ibang Zodiac namin.